Hi, this is Mary Nash. Bear and I always say, if you have a dollar and two relatives, you need to do some estate planning. What are we talking about? Well, one of the things that we don't want to have happen when we die is that our family is going to fight about our stuff. If you do some estate planning in advance, we can cut down on those fights almost completely. One of the things that we find is that most of the fights are over your personal items. We have a way that you can list where you want your personal items to go so that family members don't fight. I had a lady the other day say to me, it's not that I want it, I just don't want my sister to get it. So when you start thinking about things like that and we think about personal items, that's sentimental. My mama wore it. My dad shot with it. My dad made my baby bed with those tools, and therefore I want them. When you have an opportunity to do your estate planning, you have the opportunity to learn how to list those personal items to go where you want them to go, when you want them to go. In other words, if wife dies first, she doesn't want your husband's next wife wearing her jewelry. So she wants to say, if I die first, I want my jewelry to go out to this person or that person. So I've listed these things individually to go to those people that I want to have them, and make sure that there's no family fight over your personal items. When you talk to us about estate planning, we're going to talk about those kinds of things to make sure that if anything happens to you, that your personal assets are going to go out where you want them to go, so nobody's fighting about it, nobody's mad at anybody, and when the time comes that everything else is disposed of, those personal items will be in the hands of the people you want to have them. Those people that you love, those people that you want to have those items that maybe grandma had, someone else had. Now's the time to do your estate planning.